Okay, CR500, the last component we were waiting for. Vintco, I've never seen one of these. We were supposed to have the other crankshaft rebuilt. For some reason they couldn't do it. I don't know. We got the old one, the stock one back, but check this thing out. Too bad we're gonna have to put this on the inside where nobody can see it. I mean, it's got like stuffing, like plastic stuffing in there and different things, and yeah, it's pretty. Should make it go rap, eh? So yeah, we're just gonna continue to get ready for putting these together. I guess I should have been doing all this stuff, but if I don't do it when I'm doing it, then I forget that I did it, and then we have to start all over again, then I have to redo it. So I'm gonna clean out all these 6mm case bolt holes and the others because there's a little bit of media from the vapor blast in there still, and then we should be able to start loading the tranny side, this side, tranny side, drop stuff in there, get it all ready, you know, different types of things, put the crank in, pull the other side to this son of a bitch, and we'll go from there. Thanks for coming along. Butter smooth. didn't do that the first time? Instead of dropping shit all over the fucking floor. Yeah, that goes in there. And we're gonna confirm when I get the shift drum in there and the forks and everything, we'll spin her over. This is supposed to stay in the other engine case, but we're not too worried about that. Okay. Pretty sure there's supposed to be a washer there too. There's the left one. Here's the center one. There's the center one. Oh, that I want to leave out. I always forget. Because you gotta be able to manipulate those to get the right one. Like wit. Let me put this old girl down in here. Get the arse coals to line up a little bit. Oh no. There we go. And like I said, I want this all the way this way. There. Get them little knobs started. Actually went pretty good. I can top this way with that. No sort of jipe needed. Okay, round two. I got the kickstart and the kickstart idler gear installed. I got the main drive gear installed. And these are all the bits and pieces that go to making it shift. So I've got my references to the service manual, and we are going to attempt to do this. So last things last, let's get to it. That's probably our guy. That's our guy. Get her down in there. Give her a little bit of a how you doing. put this son of a bitch in the holder. I used to remember how. Well, I got it wrong? Yeah, I got it wrong. Okay, and then we'll hold your guys. Okay, after a little more swearing and different types of things, I got that shifter all in there, or shift pawls, I guess they are called. This little guy goes on this little guy, and then your shifter. Okay, made quite a bit of progress. Got the right side covers, all clutch covers all on, in, installed, ready to roll. Piston is on, installed, ready to roll. I gave a little bit of a how you doing in the oil holes, and I put the rings on. They fitted the rings for end gap at Millennium. So I'm gonna, no I'm not, son of a bitch. I was gonna put the cylinder on, I'm gonna wash it yet. Okay, I got the piston all lathered up with oil. I'm all lathered up, not with oil. But let's see if we can get this cylinder on there, hey boys. There she goes. Oh yeah, butter smooth. Yes, buddy. Butter smooth. Let's turn it over here a little bit. See where my shit is at. Both. There we go. Both dowels in place. Let's see here. Oh yeah. Perfect. Okay, it is so butter smooth in there, boys and girls. We are gonna love this kind big time. All right, let me get the cylinder torqued down. 29 foot-pounds. There we go. Can't even have you guys in the shot. Them snap nice at 29 foot-pounds, huh? Kind of hard to get on. Click. Okay, cylinder installed. Cylinder head about to. Okay. About to. Oh yeah. I'm gonna put a spark plug in there just to cover the hole. I wire brushed the I wire brush these cylinder nuts off. I'm still trying to figure out where some of this... Oh, it's Kickstarter bolt. I gotcha. I was like, there's some extra parts left. I don't like that kind. But anyways, I did these nuts on the wire wheel. And the cylinder nuts I was going to paint black, but then they come off right away. You almost have to get ones that are anodized black, so they're just kind of clean. And this one said 20 psi, or I mean foot-pounds. In a few different steps. Okay, I'll just tell she takes. I don't know if I told you, but it's for pump gas. They called me. They have like 6 different cylinder head compression. Well, I said it was a CR500 powered Schwinn, and it just got delivered. Look at this thing. Whoa. Gargantuan. And like I said, Schwinn. They put the actual bicycle label on there, and it's like spot welded on. Converted CR500 dirt bike. Got the plate here to tuck the front end in so you get the correct rake. It's got like a, I don't know, 10 over swing arm on it or something like that. Some fancy, I forget what they call these shocks. It's like an internal spring. Lightweight stuff. So and then this flips back so that you can kickstart it. This is all custom subframe. Like I said, that whoever originally did this bike come out of Utah. It's got Utah registration, 2017. So yeah, here in the next couple of videos, we're going to be putting this engine into this frame. So yeah, it should be pretty awesome. It's got some pretty trick parts, big bore carb. I don't know. It's just going to be a monster. Engine went together real well. It spins over like butter. We did that in the previous segment. So that's going to about do it for this video. Thanks again to all my subscribers. This is really exciting. I cannot wait to throw a leg over this thing and get your eyes watered or whatever. So until then, thanks again. Pop wheelies.